Your campaign page is fully customizable right from the builder. Open your campaign and click Design. On the left, you've got building blocks, and on the right, a live preview that updates as you work. Every campaign starts from a template. Under the Template tab, you can pick a ready-made layout like our beacon designs, or start from a blank one and build your own. Back in Design, the Add Layout panel is your field library grouped by type. At the top are the recommended fields, the essentials for almost any page. Campaign Description tells your story, Campaign Summary shows your key stats at a glance, and a Donate button gives supporters a clear call to action. Under Standard, you'll find everyday building blocks, like social sharing to spread the word, a photo, free-form text, a list, and a shortcode block to embed anything else. The Pro Group unlocks richer sections like a full donation form right on the page, or donor comments that show community support. And as you activate more charitable add-ons, new fields appear here too, like campaign updates. Adding one is as simple as dragging it into your layout. Want to match your brand? Open Layout Options, then Styles. Set your primary and accent colors, your button and progress bar colors, and choose your fonts and sizes. Click any section to edit it. Here in the Campaign Hero, you can set the background image, override the title, and toggle the progress bar and suggested amounts. Happy with it? Hit Preview to see the full page or View Live to open it on your site. For more charitable tutorials, visit wpcharitable.com/documentation.